Hey everybody, I'm Iota, the Star Realtor, and I'm excited to invite you to my open house happening this Sunday. Come on down and check out this beautiful brick one-family townhouse right in one of Bayside's hottest, most in-demand neighborhoods. This sun-drenched, south-facing home truly checks every box. You've got an eat-in kitchen perfect for everyday living. 4 bedrooms. 2 bathrooms. A bright and welcoming living room and a dedicated dining area. Hardwood floors run throughout, complemented by a full finished basement with plenty of potential and its own separate entrance. And a private backyard to enjoy. And yes, your own private front driveway makes parking a breeze. Now let's talk location, because this one is absolute gold. You're surrounded by charming tree-lined streets and unbeatable access to everything you need. A wide variety of amazing restaurants, cozy cafes, bakeries, and local shops. You've got easy access to the Q27 and Q31 buses, top-rated schools like PS 376 and MS 158. And you're just 2 blocks from Bell Boulevard, the heart of Bayside. Plus, the Long Island Railroad gets you into Manhattan in only 30 minutes. And here's the bonus. This property sits in an R4B zoning district, adding even more long-term value and potential.
What can you do with R4? What is R4 zone property? R4 zone property is known as high density residential. So why people so obsessed and pay the top dollars for R4 zone property? For this number one reason. Because developer can build multi-level dwelling, meaning they can sell more to different people and retain as much profit as possible with a similar block of land. Now you understand why R4 zone property worth a lot more than others.
This is truly an incredible opportunity in a prime Bayside location you don't want to miss. This one won't last. Come and see it before it's gone. Stop by this Sunday from 1 to 3. And if you've got any real estate questions, I've got Startastic tips ready for you. See you here. See you Sunday. See you here. See you Sunday.
Monday, Monday, so good to me. Monday morning, it was all